Welcome to Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology, and more so to the School of Education, Humanities and Social Sciences. My name is Dr. Emily Ayeta Andondo, the Associate Dean, the School of Education, Humanities and Social Sciences. My area of specialization is languages and linguistics. So I'm going to speak to you about the social sciences in that school. So we offer two main programs, that is the Bachelor of Arts in Development and Policy Studies and Bachelor of Arts in International Relations and Diplomacy with IT. These two programs are very important to you. For instance, if you look at Bachelor of Development Studies, you'd realize that what is taught there to you as students will place you in different working opportunities, because development issues are actually everywhere. So in Kenya particularly, you can work at the county government because the devolved government brings in a lot of development issues that needs to be catered into. That is also important at the community level, where very many non-governmental organizations are interested in development issues and you can fit in there. In the Bachelors of Arts in International Relations and Diplomacy, that one you can be placed in very many different working opportunities. For example, it is more interested in dealing with international relations, so in which case you can work as an ambassador or as a diplomat or as a commercial attaché for Kenya in other countries, and also for other countries in any other country. So you're not only limited to work in Kenya. Besides that, we also teach subjects like geography, history, English, Kiswahili, literature, and religion to students who intend to be teachers and would actually take these subjects as teaching subjects in high school. Besides teaching the subjects, they can also place you in different working opportunities, not necessarily as teachers, but as other professionals. So for instance, geography can place you in different working opportunities or professions. For instance, the area of geology, the area of environmental science, the area of natural resource management, the area of physical geography, and many others. And languages, for example, English, Kiswahili, and international languages, which we are planning to introduce in the future. For instance, French, German, Chinese, and so forth. Those ones can also place you into different working opportunities. For example, the translations, and you can work with non-governmental organizations such as the UNDP, the United Nations, and many others. And they can also place you into the media industry, because the media industry, they also want people who can actually announce or do journalist kind of work in Kiswahili, English, and those other languages. So with that, you can also work in the media industries. You can also write for the newspapers. You can be news anchors, reporters, and all that. But to add to that, in the future, when we come up with the Bachelors of Arts in, let's say, maybe journalism, mass communication, media studies, then you will be able to utilize that in that area as well. We also, although not yet in place, we're also planning to come up with the studies in film and theater, in which case you can be able to write your own plays, direct them, produce them, and manage them, in which case you will be a self-contained person. We also are planning to introduce music, in which case you can also learn many other things, like how to play the instruments, how to write music, your own songs, and how to produce them, and how to direct them, and things like that. So it is actually a section with a lot of opportunities and potentialities when everything is put in place. So I would like to welcome you heartily to this university of choice, and one of the best in the western region of Kenya, and more so to the School of Education, Humanities and Social Sciences. Feel welcome. Thank you.